so in the video, we talked about the three types of S. I think she does a really good job at explaining it. But in case you didn't get all the letters, these are it, right? These are the letters or the sounds that would make the letter sound like a Z, like sobs, right? It sounds like a Z. Roam, roams, right? Because is right. Believes, again with the V, right? So all these sounds allows you to create or forces you to create an S that sounds like a Z. Yeah? F, K, or K, P, these are all Th. These are all sound they're all unvoiced, and they create the sound S, right? Looks, asks, helps, waits. Yeah? And then the rest is the is sound. Push is, right? Because it just sounds very harsh. If it's push, it sounds very harsh. So you add that is sound, right? Pushes, watches, dresses, judges. Okay, that almost like a schwa sound in there. Yeah? Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. Should I move on, or do you guys need more help? Okay. Oh, sorry. All right, so we're gonna listen to the words and you're gonna tell me what it sounds like, okay? Doves. Which one do you think? Doves.
Z.
1, 2, 3. It's Z. Doves. Slices. 1, 2, or 3.
Z.
1, 2, or 3. Tell me. Well, let's go.
1.
Slices.
Is.
It, right? Is. It's the last one. Helps.
S.
Help.
S.
S. So number 1. Straws.
Z.
Straws. Bags.
Z.
1.
2. Bags. Right? It's kind of like a Z sound. Watches.
Is.
Is. Briefs. Briefs.
S.
2.
S. Delays. Delays.
Z.
It's the Z sound. Okay. And here's a spelling note. The letter C is followed by E, I, or Y is usually pronounced S, right? For example, scent, place, society, fancy. Okay, so it sounds like S, even though it's a C, sounds like S. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. And then the letter S is usually pronounced as Z between vowels. So deserves sounds like a Z, even though this is not at the end of the word, it still sounds like a Z. Deserves, because, resign, it sounds like a Z sound.